Hello everybody, this is me Akash and today we are going to learn a few abbreviations. So let's get started. ADB, Asian Development Bank. ADP, Annual Development Program. ASEAN, ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. AIDS, AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. BARI, BARI, Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institution. BAPEX, BAPEX, Bangladesh Petroleum Exploration and Production Company Limited. BADC, Bangladesh Agricultural Development Corporation. BASIC, BASIC, Bank of Small Industries and Commerce. CAMELS, CAMELS, which is for bank rating system. So the full form is capital adequacy, assets quality, management capability, earnings liquidity, sensitivity to market risk. CME, small and medium enterprises. CSR, corporate social responsibility. And then WWW, World Wide Web, IP, Internet Protocol, Wi-Fi, so that is wireless fidelity. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching.